Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan TheOrganizer. So, on today's episode, a cool new gadget from Ryobi. This is the Undercarriage Cleaner and Water Broom. So, it's meant to clean the underside of the vehicle. So if you have any road salt, any dirt, grime, or any mud, if you've been off-roading, this is an awesome way and a quick way to spray high-pressured water underneath your vehicle, or soapy solution if you have a soap tank on your pressure washer. It basically connects through this quick disconnect. Today, you're going to see this in action. You're going to see how cool this is to use. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. Welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I said, today I'm reviewing the Ryobi Undercarriage Cleaner. This can also be used as a water broom if you want to clean your driveway with your pressure washer. But essentially what I use this for is to clean the undercarriage, so the under portion of the vehicles. So it uses 3 little jets here, and they spray high pressured water, of course, underneath the vehicle. You use a quick disconnect that comes here, 1/4 inch quick disconnect, standard fitting, and it comes with this swiveling brass part. So to use it as a water broom, and if you're using it with your pressure washer, you angle it like this. And of course, as you can see from the side, the water is going to come in this way, and you're rolling it underneath the vehicle back and forth, and you're spraying this high pressured water underneath to clean it. So let's check out the dimensions. By the way guys, to make it simple for you, I'll include the link to the product in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. So it's pretty simple. So very well made. It's just over 12 inches in length. So if we measure this up here, so you guys can have an idea, we're talking, yeah, roughly 12 inches. So if you have a look there. The wheels themselves are roughly, let's have a look here, 4.5, not quite 5 inches in diameter. So it can fit even low-profiled cars with no issues. It comes in a very simple package, so it comes in this box. You can get these off Amazon or even at your local Home Depot. And they connect to your pressure washer again. So using the standard fitting, so this is my wand. So you simply connect it as such. And that's it, you're good to go. You're gonna roll under, we're gonna have a quick demo, and you're gonna see this on my own BMW. So that was pretty awesome, a cool nifty gadget. So again, the Ryobi Undercarriage Cleaner and Water Broom if you want to use it to clean your driveway as well. Again, I'll leave the link to the product in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. Also, as you can tell, I'm rocking the Pan TheOrganizer t-shirt. So Pan TheOrganizer PTO, this is my brand new logo. I have a bunch of different models, colors, and sizes, and different logos as well. You guys have been killing it, so thank you again for your support. Totally appreciate it. You can check the link to the t-shirt store under the video, of course, in the description under the video. And yeah, just go ahead, rock the merch, and it's awesome. By the way, guys, of course, like every single week, if you enjoy my videos, show me your support, smash the thumbs up button. Also, if you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, like every single week, thank you for your support. Thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.